10 wedding websites with whom you may register yourself. You know that today the wedding websites are not only meant for finding life partners but also may be used as wedding planners. You will get many services from them. So if you are intending to register yourself with a wedding website, go for the best one as per your need and choice. Here are a few websites and services provided by them with whom you may register yourself. Wedding Window. It is one of the best wedding websites and is renowned for combination of a wedding website with a huge number of excellent planning tools. These all help you in making plans for the dream wedding in a highly professional manner. It is guaranteed that you will start from the home page and will happily check out after finding all the services of your choice. This really serves all your needs with high degree of quality. Wed Simple. It is another site that is ranked highest in the list of wedding websites. It has the features of making the wedding plans to the excellent level. It has various features and applications that make your marriage planning quite simple and in a quite organized way. You need to pay only reasonable amount of money for using the services offered by this site. My Wedding. Most commonly known as mywedding.com, it is one of the unique wedding websites. It provides everything needed in wedding planning. You will find the complete information about elegant marriage spots, places, wedding photographers, local vendors, etc. If you are registered with it, you will find all the necessary information and your wedding day will be easily memorable to all attendees. The reason is simple: the perfect planning. Wedding Wire. It is regarded as the most trusted wedding services provider in USA. It is known for using innovative techniques for wedding. It has helped millions of people looking for marriage planning with that of service provider. You may register with the site free of cost. Weddings My Event. This is known as sister concern of the renowned website named myevent.com. It is one of these wedding websites which has a lot of things to offer. You may many events apart from marriage. These events may be fundraisers, business events, class reunions, etc. Appy Couple. It is the wedding websites and application that will help you in building an attractive, informative and excellent website along with the applications. Even if you are not a computer savvy, you may easily handle the apps of this site and your guest will also enjoy using those apps. You may put your thoughts and contents in the remarkable simple ways. Wedsite. This offers various pre-built templates and thus makes your profile quite interesting. The templates of this website can be easily customized by editing of colors, fonts, spacing, etc. and thus your profile becomes attractive and unique. Confetti Wedding Websites. If you are a resident of UK, you may register with it. It allows you for online shopping also. You are also provided the information regarding themes, planning and everything related to marriage. Thus wedding websites across the world solve the purpose of finding perfect husband or wife. You may get many other services as well.